baby sister, and her name is Lydia.
Lydia?
Mommy,
We don't
the
know
flowers
Lydia
are like
Rose?
Well,
Is it a good name?
Lydia Rose is a pretty good name. We have some choices, and we thought we would let you help us decide.
Yeah, it's a little like Lily.
It is a little bit like a
He's so soft with her head.
So
soft.
tiny.
I can't believe she had
Can we
a
hold
baby.
her?
Would you like to take a turn holding it? Let's.
I'll go sit in the chair.
Are you
Who
ready?
wants to go first?
Mm.
I'm getting a band-aid, Mommy, and Nana.
Did you get
Bend our knee on the way.
I'm scared.
You scared? Oh, I'm so sorry that you scared your knees. Look who's this right here, Sarah.
Look at Sarah.
Would you?
Give me the baby. Give me the
Let me
baby.
show you. Look, she's gonna open her eyes. You see? Can you see her? Oh, she's yawning right now. And look, let me show you something.
I got my band-aid, Nana. I got my band-aid.
This is where her umbilical cord
I
was,
got my
and so they
Band-Aid.
cut it off and put this little clamp on it.
Has to get my Ellie.
Yeah.
No, it
We
doesn't
took
hurt
her
her.
to
This is
Ellie.
where she was attached inside mommy, and she used to get blood from inside
I can
mommy's
kind of
body.
see stuff right there.
You see her little
Hey, don't
tiny
touch her face right now.
toes? Her little feet.
Little tiny
You see that?
Stick your finger right here. Stick one finger right there.
Isn't
She'll
that
probably
so
grab onto it just a minute.
And do you see her little hand?
What she's gonna hold
See
on
her
just a
little
minute.
hand?
Aw, she's holding on.
This is your baby sister.
Can I hold the baby? I want to
Everyone can have a turn. Oh my goodness, look at these long fingernails. What's she doing, Sam? Who is this?
Leah.
It's Lydia. That's right.
Shut up
Lydia.
Did you tell her that?
Just when we got here.
Can I take the baby?
No, not right now.
Okay,
She's
let's
sleeping.
see. How about if
Why do you need to wear this?
Here, let's let Big Sister go first.
you know what? There are
Just a minute, back up,
so
back.
many. May, why don't you come sit?
Okay.
Maybe you want right here next to me.
Okay, I'll try not to drop them.
Well, yeah, I mean, that way I'll help you hold.
Just under
We
this.
can all take our
Where's any of these buttons?
We need a picture of all of us too.
Hey,
Hey, Hattie, why don't you come here?
That's good right there. Why don't you just hold it for now, Mommy? Can you hold it right
Would
up?
you like to come back after school so you can tell me all about your day and see Lydia?
Just a minute.
Okay, just a second. Let's look at
Let's
Nana.
take a picture with
Come here.
Nana.
Okay, you want to get a picture of that because I'm
I
videoing.
don't have.
Josh,
There you go.
Sarah,
So you look at
Look at-
Grammy.
Look at Grammy.
Awesome.
See?
Hey, Cindy.
Is that your baby
All right.
sister?
Are you sitting?
I'm ready to hold her. I'm ready to hold her.
We think she kind of looks like
Just a
you
minute.
when you were a baby.
Can I hold her?
Yes, sit up a little bit. Okay.
It's also.
That's my sister.
You see her? Do you see her little toes?
She's crying.
No, she's not crying right now.
She's about
She
to.
might cry though.
Can I hold her now?
Yeah, you can hug her next to her, okay? Did you get a book from the library yesterday?
What do you think, Samo?
I my that's my band-aid.
Don't take it off.
No.
Did you fall?
Hey,
Sam, look at Grammy.
Look at
Say hi, Grammy.
Hattie, look at Grandma.
Hi, Grammy.